Greetings and welcome to the Rethink Your Drink Nevada recipe series. Today, we will be making Radical Minty Raspberry. This recipe is easy enough for young children to make. For this recipe, you will need a clean glass, a big spoon, 1 to 2 mint leaves, 5 frozen raspberries, and 3/4 a cup of cold sparkling water. Before you start, make sure to wash your hands using soap and water. Wash the mint leaves under cool running water. Place the raspberries and mint in your glass. Mash the raspberries and mint together using the spoon. Pour 1/4 cup of cool tap water over the mixture. Put the cup in the fridge for about 20 minutes. You want to give it enough time to get nice and cold and for the flavors to blend. Once cold, take the cup out of the fridge. For safety reasons, remove the fruit and mint leaves. Add sparkling water to the glass and enjoy. For a copy of this recipe and more ideas, visit rethinkyourdrinknevada.com.